let's get started. Here we have the home screen and profile screen, and both has the complete profile button. The buttons will take the user to the completion process, which are step 1 and step 2 screen on the right. We want to create a prototype where we can go to the completion process screens and then go back to the same screen we came from, such as the home screen. Here comes the section tool job. It will help us keep the prototype more organized and no more wiring mess. First, we will draw a section around the step 1 and step 2 screens. Then from the home page screen we will connect a node from the button to the section. Make sure it's connected to the section, not the screens inside. And then choose the animation. Here we choose instant. And same goes with the profile screen button. Next we will create the interaction inside the section. Next button in step 1 will navigate to the second step. Make sure you choose swap overlay, where you will be able to go back to the screen you started from. Same goes with the step 2 button. As long as you are in the section, make sure it's swap overlay or open overlay. Next is the X button, where we want it to navigate back where we came from. Just add an interaction and choose back. And when tapped, it will go back to where we came from. Now let's test it. Here we will create an interactive button component. As you can see here, the back outlined button. We will create a small interaction. When the button is tapped, it will show a blue filling. First, we will set the button as a component. And then add a variant, where the variant will be the filled button. Then switch to prototype. Then we will create the interaction by grabbing the node from the default button to the variant 1 and choose the Smart Animate. We will connect a node to the default button and choose after delay and type in the duration. Now let's test it. As you can see that it's working. Here we can change the button name, look, etc., and we will still have the animation we made. Thanks for joining us today. Subscribe for more exciting design tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.